Hi, I'm Claire Martin. I'm going into 10th grade and I am at the Biotechnology STEM camp.
I'm Gwen Minogue. I'm going into 10th grade.
My name is Maya Parek. I'm a rising junior at Parkland.
I have learned about slime molds and GMOs.
Well, yesterday we cultured slime molds. We poured agar and then we cultured the slime mold overnight. And today we created kind of a clay maze for it. We made a silhouette of the human body, and we're hoping that because we created a pattern of oats that the slime mold will spread out in the shape of the human nervous system.
It's a camp for kids that are interested in chem and especially working with computers as well as biology. So we get to do a lot of things in the lab, like working with gels and culturing slime mold.